Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in love with today's look. I wanted to do something really dramatic and smoky, but also have a little bit of a pop of color, so that is what I created for you guys today. I hope you enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Balm Opposites Attract shadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is this light brown. With my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running this through my crease, all the way into the inner part of my crease right here. Just going back and forth, and this is going to be my transition shade. I'm now going into this medium brown. I'm now picking up this shadow on my Sigma E25, and if you notice what I'm doing is kind of building up the shades to create a really nice diffused brown smoky eye. So I first applied a much lighter shadow as my transition, and now I'm applying a medium brown through my crease. To darken up the look, I'm going into this dark brown. And now switching over to my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush and packing this shadow on my lid. So I'm picking up that same shadow on my Sigma E25 and pressing that onto my lid to just really nicely pack that shadow on. And then what I'm going to do is start lightly applying that at the very bottom of my crease, and that's going to help diffuse it out even more and give you that really nice gradient smoky eye. And then picking up that medium brown on my Sigma E38 and applying that right over top of my crease. And then picking up the lightest brown and blending that through the crease again to really nicely diffuse that out. And you can see those three different shades of brown really helped create a blown out diffused smoky eye. Now going into the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner and Baller. I'm first going to line my waterline. And then I'm going to roughly apply this really close to my lower lash line. And then using my Sigma E21 smudge brush, I'm going to start buffing out this pencil. Now going into the Urban Decay eyeshadow in Zodiac. And then again with the Sigma E21 smudge brush, I'm going to start packing the shadow over top of the pencil, and it's going to act as a great base and make the reflex really pop. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Carity 3D Foam Ink Lashes in Kobe. And that's the eye look done. My lower lash line shadow is giving me life. I am obsessed with it. It looks so good, and that sparkle just going to catch the light so nicely. Your eyes are going to glisten. So now for lips, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Stripped. And that is it. This is the completed look of my brown and teal smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed with this look, mainly because of the shadow on my lower lash line. That Urban Decay shadow is so beautiful, and over top of the pencil, it makes it so nice and bright and teal, and the reflex and the sparkle really make your eyes kind of shine and sparkle and glisten. Super flirty and fun, and I'm obsessed. And these shadows from the Balm blended out so beautifully. My smoky eye is blown out. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used. My Paulina Favorites brush set will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!